I'm gonna be testing out the new Rare Beauty blush. It's supposed to be like a blush. Oh my gosh. And kind of like a highlighter in one. Look at that sheen. I'm gonna grab some product, tap off the excess. Oh my gosh. Let's do this side. Whenever I apply blush, I try to like pack most of the powder super high up, and then I'll blend it a little bit down, a little bit on my nose. I also like to take a little bit and kind of blend it right in the outer corner of my shadow, so everything is kind of seamless and very blended. So I'll just go like this. There's so much radiance to it without putting any sort of highlighter. This is what Truth looks like on my skin tone. Very, very brown girl friendly. I know you don't need a highlighter, but I'm curious how shade Exhilarate will look on top. Combination is so good. Taking it into the natural light to see this. This is shade Truth in the powder blush, and then I did put a little bit of highlighter in shade Exhilarate. This side just has the powder blush, but you can still see the luminosity just like beaming through your skin. Here's my honest feedback. I freaking love this. I will just tell you, because it has that sheen to it, it will kind of sit and emphasize a little bit of the texture. You can see that texture in my skin. That's just a given with like any sort of highlight. You generally don't want to put highlighter on the textured part of your skin. However, this product is so beautiful. Like, my face just has such a glow to it. If you're on the fence about getting it, I totally would. Look how stunning. I love it so much. 10 out of 10 from me.